Hi, Latasha. How are you
Hi,
today?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Good. So, you actually met us at one of our previous conferences.
At Emerald Coast Veterinary down in Florida.
Awesome, awesome. And you've purchased one of our products before?
Yeah, actually these scissors.
Okay, so you purchased a set of the Lister Bandage Scissors,
Yes.
and you came to us today to talk to us about how you like them.
Yeah, so I really just I love them because of the slim tip design and how slim the actual profile is.
Okay.
A lot of times with our bandage scissors in the clinic, they're really fat and they're very large. So when you're trying to slide the scissors underneath even with any ease off, you're still pressing it into the patient's skin, which is very uncomfortable for them. But these are really slim and they've got the slim tip design. So you're able to really slide it under, and it causes a lot less pain for the patient because I mean, can you imagine
Yes.
having something like this slide, and then you also run the risk of cutting them, and this is really rounded right here, so you don't have that risk of cutting them. So I love these scissors. They are the best scissors. I will never use any other scissors in my life.
Perfect. Well, thank you. Thank you for bringing us this information.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you so much.
You have a wonderful rest of the conference.
Thank you, you as well.